Mankind advances by building functional structures that are massive and by designing instruments that are minute and extremely accurate. These challenges often pose tough questions before the engineers, such as how can we build massive structures that can survive the harsh force of nature? How do we make land, air, and water travel safer and efficient? Is it possible to perform sensitive and life-saving medical treatments without risking the patient's life? How can we improve our communications by making the electronic equipment more reliable? We have been answering such questions time and again, and in this process, advanced our civilization through engineering feats. It's a common engineering practice to use simulations in the design, analysis, and root cause stages of such systems. But even before they turn to simulations, it's important for us to identify and clearly understanding the underlying physics driving these applications.
Hello, I'm Sean, and I'm going to be one of the lecturers in this series.
Hi, I'm Hargava.
And I'm April. We're the lecturers of this course in structural mechanics titled Understanding the Physics. In this course, we will focus on teaching the fundamentals of mechanics, such as what are stress and strains, how are they developed in the bodies, and how can they be used in an engineering analysis. We will also cover some advanced topics to address questions, such as what are nonlinearities, how are they introduced into a system's response, how do structures behave in a dynamic environment, and how to study the mechanics of such structures. And finally, why do systems change their state over time, and how do we identify the reasons for the said changes? We will teach all these topics via engaging video lectures that use visual aids and practical examples to explain the underlying physics. All the lecture videos are accompanied by handout slides that may be used as reference material. We have also included several example problems in each section that complements the lessons and the topic. The student can learn both the theoretical and practical sides of each topic through these lecture videos and simulation examples. Upon successful completion of the course, the students can expect to understand the fundamental mechanics of structures and will be well equipped to learn more advanced topics. Come in and join us in this lecture series on understanding physics. Together, we will learn the fundamentals of structural mechanics and apply our knowledge to both everyday and some cool industry applications.